Here is my video for deliverable 8. Deliverable 8 is to create a database that stores information about the current user and previous users and allows users to restart where they left off the last time they used the device. You can see here is a short introduction to that. It's the very beginning of my code. It's sort of the login part, so just welcome back or welcome if they've never logged in before, that kind of thing. An example of that would be if I use a made-up name. Let's do Steve as our initial user. It'll be the first time Steve has ever logged in. If we go down here, I just have it printing constantly all of Steve's information, because it will update constantly as he plays the game. If I were to wave my hand over the game, it would update constantly. I don't have my leap motion anymore, so I can't do that, but I can show you an example of a different user that has used the game a lot. So here logins is just 1, and all his other points are 0. If I run my main user, Pants, I find that funny, haha. If I run my main user, Pants, and then I go back to here, you can see he's logged in 8 times since I last reset my database. He has 863 sad points, 905 happy points, etc., etc. The points are just sad points are the number of frames where a frown is on the screen. That just is essentially time spent not doing the right thing. Happy points are the number of frames that a happy face is on the screen. That's just time spent doing the right thing. Maximum happy is the maximum number of frames the user has gotten in a row where there's been a smiley face, and that's sort of my high score. That's kind of what my users used to try to keep track of how well they were doing, was the best they could do in one go. And then points, just by itself, is just happy points minus sad points. It's just overall points, how much your, we'll say, account is worth. How well you do in general is just the points you have. That's about it.